Hi everyone, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about red light laser therapy, which is different than red light therapy. Red light laser therapy is the use of both infrared light and of both near infrared light and far infrared light, as well as blue light. And all of these lights are combined into a single targeted beam. And you can direct that beam to different tissues in your body so that the light promotes healing. We know from lots of scientific research that red light is one of the most healing forms of energy, and it is part of the spectrum of light, which is emitted by the sun. So those of us that live, very far north, we are very much deprived of red light. So it's helpful if you can get some red light therapy to boost the exposure to red light. But red light laser, what that does is it penetrates deeper into the body. So if you think about it this way, like a red light mat or a red light bed, that'll penetrate the tissue, but a red light laser will penetrate the bone and the muscles. So it goes much deeper because it's a single beam of light that's just far stronger. Red light laser is a great way to heal wounds and all kinds of other things like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, arthritis, sinusitis, anything where there's inflammation. Because red light laser does a number of things, including it lowers inflammation, minimizes oxidative stress, increases blood flow, increases the production of ATP by the mitochondria, and increases tissue regeneration because of increased blood flow and increased ATP production. ATP is required. It's the molecule of energy, and it's required for tissues to heal properly. So you have to have adequate production of ATP by the mitochondria in order for wounds to heal. Red light laser is a very non-invasive way to begin to heal tissues at all levels. The outside tissues like your skin and the deep tissues like your muscles and ligaments and bone. And I'm really excited because we are the only office in Kitsap County that offers Firefly red light therapy, red light laser therapy. And Firefly was built by Dr. Maurice Bales of Bales Photonics. And he's a medical doctor, and he was the first one to design thermography as well. So he's very in tune with the healing properties of light and of heat. And I'm really beginning to think that this is a missing piece to my puzzle. And I think that these things will absolutely help my patients. I know I use it every day. I try and use it every day. And it's definitely helping with the places in my body that are not in tip-top shape, from inflammation, from infection, from oxidative stress, from etc. So I think red light laser therapy is some of the future of medicine. It's not all of it. It's not a silver bullet, but I think it helps a lot of people. And for that reason, I think that it's a very useful tool for some of my patients to heal. especially if they have severe inflammation and if their lymph is clogged. It helps lymph move through the body. So, I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.